Without further ado, here comes the bronze winner of the quarterly Smyth Games. Tejas. Tejas created StudyLoom. And what impressed us about StudyLoom is not the understated but clean design that actually works. It actually worked in his favor. His design was very simple, no frills, but everything worked. There were no buttons that were broken links or anything. And on the surface, it's a simple idea. You enter a topic and it helps you learn new things. So you enter your topic and you enter the difficulty of what you're trying to do, and it's going to generate flashcards and quizzes. And I actually tried it, not to brag, but I entered psychology, which I never studied in university. I said like graduate level, like PhD level difficulty questions, and I scored very high. I would have a degree in psychology, but the questions were really tough, and it was really tough. And I'm just a hobbyist, but I was really impressed by it. And I said, and we talked about it as founders, this is actually something you can give to your kids and say, what topic are you trying to learn more about? You enter the topic, the difficulty rating, and it actually teaches you something. No fluff, no fancy things to distract you. It just works. And you can all see here, if you go to forge.smythos.com, you can see all the projects, and you can see it is, where is it here? StudyLoom. And so you can see his entry over here. It's all here, and you can try it by just clicking visit website. You can try it there. Congratulations to Tejas for winning the bronze prize. Yeah. Next up is the second place. And I know you guys are all like super, super curious because, it. Okay, let's find out. The silver prize goes to Yaroslav. And Yaroslav, we had never seen this coming, but boy, are we happy it did. Yaroslav's project demonstrates how powerful SmythOS is for integrating with other software. It's an exceptional entry that will spark imagination to anyone visiting Smyth Forge. Okay, now, the moment everyone's waiting for is who won number one, who won the first prize. Now, I have to say, I was a bit conflicted about this because I didn't get a marketing video. And it looks very simple on the surface, but when you actually try it out, I think your mind will blow. And I don't really think the winner gave us a choice. The winner is Moeen. Moeen won gold. And Moeen wins the $1,000 prize. Not only does the voice experience work exceptionally smooth, it instantly wows the user with any demo. So to see what he cooked up here, it's called Smyth Voice, and he did not receive a lot of upvotes because there was no marketing video tied to it, and he needs to work a little bit on his marketing. But when you click on visit website, you go to a page where you can add any Smyth agent you have already built. So it's universally compatible with anything you have made. You just add the ID here, connect, and if you don't have one, you click weather agent. By the way, again, just like Tejas, super simple UI, nothing flashy, but it all just works. And so I'll try to give some demo on what it looks like with this here. But imagine you making your own agent and then adding that to websites, and look how fast this is.
안녕하세요. 저는 다양한 언어로 대화할 수 있고 날씨 정보가 필요하신가요? 어느 지역 날씨를 확인해 드리면 좋을까요?
Okay, I got it. But I'm actually here to announce that Moeen won the Smyth Forge Games.
아, 그렇군요. 무인 선수가 스미스 포스 게임에서
Can you
우승.
talk in English with me, please? English, please.
Sure, no problem. So Moeen won the Smyth Force Games. That's awesome. How did the competition go?
He floored us all with this demo. It's just amazing. And the fact, are you actually powered by a Smyth agent?
That sounds like an incredible match. As for me, I'm not powered by anything like that. Just here to chat and help you with whatever you need. Whether
Can you look up the weather in Zimbabwe right now? It's actually looking at skill online.
I looked it up just for the weather info. Right now in Zimbabwe, specifically in Harare, it's sunny and about 26 degrees Celsius, or around 80 degrees
Okay,
Fahrenheit.
I'm blown away. This is so smooth. And the fact that this is actually powered with weather skills from a Smyth app is just mind blowing. I can only imagine what clients will experience when we demo this.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. The idea is to make getting in.
Okay, as you can see, this is a very simple interface, but it all is so smooth and it just works. And the conversation is so smooth and fluent. Even I love the interaction with, while it was looking up a skill, the UI said it showed it was busy doing something. I love when you tell people do anything you can imagine and you just see what happens. I love it. Okay, so who wins fourth, fifth, and sixth place? The problem is we have 5 eligible entries for those prizes and only 3 spots left. So who wins? You ready to find out? Okay. Everyone. So the founders decided we're just going to give everyone the $100. So if 30 people had entered, maybe no, but we said, you know what? We actually loved all the entries. So let's take a look at some of the other entries at a fast pace. Meow Mind actually wins the best user experience. It's so innovative. You can scratch the cat on its belly. It's a great therapist. And Umar also integrated an entire payment system. He is planning to get rich from his startup. And I actually genuinely believe this will help people. It's very original. Umar, props to you. Congratulations. Next up, we have Ore with Viral Compass. Now, mind you, these are people don't necessarily build, they're not engineers. But what I loved about Ore's job is that she created repeatable value. Ore oftentimes has to search online for what's viral and what's new to know what to write content about. And she decided to automate part of her work. So we don't have a lot of time to watch the entire
Hello,
video,
everyone.
but she made a wonderful trailer video and she shows how everything works, and it will find in the internet viral content ideas for you to write about, and it works. It is really impressive for someone with no development background. And I have to stress this. Ori has not built agents, has not studied computer science, but built an entire SaaS on her own in her free time. And that is power. So congratulations to Ori for building something that creates repeatable value for the thing you do day to day. And I want everyone to understand your job, you can automate it with SmythOS. We begin by living it. Then, of course, Timmy. Timmy has the most promising badge because I actually believe from all the entries, Timmy is the most likely to be very wealthy if he chooses to continue to develop this application. This application has the potential to be a very valuable company. So Ahmed recently was in my home and he said, there's no way that it will find my email address by entering my LinkedIn profile in secret email. So the way secret email works is you add a LinkedIn profile, you click a button, a secret email finds the email address of the person associated with that LinkedIn profile, and then lets you send an anonymous email. Not so spammy, because we totally know Timmy would never do that. But Ahmed actually, it found an email to his astonishment. And again, we don't have time to watch all the videos at length, but there is a video and a tutorial on how Timmy built it. So you can actually see step by step how he did it. So Timmy gets props for that as well. I do believe from all submissions, this one has the most economic potential. And Timmy definitely knows his conversion science because that color orange is not by accident. This is actually conversion science. Next up, we have Content Weaver. And Greg does not need a badge because he already won the coolest avatar. His username is Captain Capybara. And what Greg did is something very interesting. I actually think his integration was quite complex. You add your WordPress website to Content Weaver, and then there's a full integration, and you could just select whatever article you already have on your site, click a button, and fully optimize it, rewrite it, and humanize it with AI, and it is and it's done. It is updated on WordPress. It is actually like really cool. And it just shows
So
how
on
you can
brand for Greg.
it is a great example of how you can combine your personal experience. In this case, Greg is the WordPress master, and he can do things with Smyth and WordPress because he knows how WordPress works. And so everyone here, you all have experience, you all have talents. You can bring that personal passion of yours into SmythOS. And then we have Growth 90. Farhad went all out. It is a full 90-day growth plan. And I actually believe that from all the entries, this will have has the most potential to help community. And I know people in Bangladesh with education, they would love to use this. And I know Farhad is thinking about how he can make a social impact with his work. And I always appreciate that about him. Check it out. I did not have 90 days to grow with testing this, but I was impressed how he made a full step-by-step, day-by-day learning plan for any topic you can imagine. Again, very impressive.